Hello, this is the second video that I'm going to create spot modules for our Kathleen light chain images. So first you turn on the Imaris file, that was the red icon there, and here is the image that we imported into the arena. And today I would like to demo this video. Imaris D3ATH number 6 image. And so first that once you turn on your image, you have to double check that they didn't the software didn't mess up your channel, because sometimes somehow I would found that the green channel -1E is reversed to be red, so you just need some experience to tell which one is which. So here I checked, it's fine, because normally the red channel, the Kathleen light chain channel, the spots are more distinct, standing out. And for the -1E green channel, there's normally more background in the cell. So that's how I tell the difference. And then sometimes you can tell the patterns of the content is also a little bit different. So now I confirmed this is fine here. So first is we will just turn on the red channel, the Kathleen light chain, and then I would like to create a spot module. You can see the spot module here. Click it, and then you just go through the wizard and follow the instructions that I wrote in the paper. So first I will rename it to be Kathleen light chain, and the wizard here is I just do default, and then this is blocking my way. Okay, so the wizard here, I would like to segment only a region of interest, means selecting your ROI. I select it, and then I think I would select I would select this different no, don't do this, different spot size growing region. No, don't do this. Track spots over time. Yes, select it. Classify spots. Actually, we don't need this at this time. Object statistics. Yes, check it. And now we have everything we need. And then just next step is the blue button. And now they will ask you to select your ROI. And now basically I just do where is the cell is. Like just select a good region in the cell. You just scroll the mouse, and then so you can zoom in or out. Normally I will select the area that contain both the red and green Pante. So I think okay, I think this is good. And then I would recommend that you write down the ROI region that you selected, because you might need it for the green channel. So the minimum is 150, max is 319, Y is 103, max 316, and the time point that you select minimum is 1, and go through everything 73 frames. Okay, I basically just wrote down the numbers here, and next, and here they would ask you to, sorry, I have to go out because it's the recording thing, it is blocking my way. So here you have to select the red channel, because now you are looking at Kathleen light chain, and estimated XY diameter, we would do 0.5 micron. The reason is, let me see in the paper, is 0.5 micrometer. The reason that we do is we will measure it. If you have a new image or a new object of image that you don't know what is the size, you would go to slice up here, and then line, you would just like click on this one side that you want to measure, and then click on the other side, and then they will show you the distance of the object that you are measuring. So for example, this one is 0.586 micrometer, so perfect. That's exactly what I was thinking about my object size. And this one is 0.6, but I made it a little bigger, so 0.5. Yes, so they are all around like 0.5. That's why we made it 0.5, and in Jubin's paper they also use 0.5 micrometer. Okay, perfect. Now we can go back to our 3D view, and then so we can comfortably set this to be 0.5 micrometer. And then you remember to check background subtraction here. So this will help you to make the noise, remove the noise of the spots that been detected. And next, and here you will use quality to just another filter to help you select the spot module. And so you can scroll up and down to see like how many spots that you think they are spots, and then you are satisfied with. So I think for the lower part I would like to go a little lower. So here is just purely by you eyeball it, and then by your adjustment. And then for the maximum, you can just here is annoying. And then the other way to help you to determine whether they are true spot or not is just move up and down of the time frame, and then so you can see some spots that you think they are maybe yes or not spots, and then you can just move around and help you to determine. For example, now I'm looking at this area. I don't think here has real Pante, so I'll see if I can remove adjust the filter, and then not detecting this area, and here as well. So I think this is, yep, it's not going to be perfect, you just try your best. Okay. And then the other way that helped me to adjust is look at where are the Pante in the green channel. So I know this is definitely not a legit Kathleen light chain Pante, but I will remove it later. Okay, So just to make sure, yep, I'll just remove this in the end. Okay, so I think this is good, and going to next, and here is I don't think I need to do anything here, so I'll just go next. Okay, and now it's the spot module has been established, and now you need to do the you need to make the track of all this spot module. So we will select Brownian motion. It's written in the paper. Double check. Brownian motion particle tracking a logarithm was applied. Yes, Brownian motion, and the maximum distance is 0.35. That's follow Jubin paper's protocol. And maximum gap size, we use 1. In Jubin's paper, they use 7, and we don't think that is legit, so we do 1 frame. And we don't fill all the gaps with detected objects. And so here is good, so go next step. And we basically don't do any filter here, so we will just remove anything they suggest us to filter here. So delete, and then hit the green arrow to finish up the track building. And here you will see the spot module, and the track has been built, and all these different colors is the track that I think it's moving over time, so it has different colors. And the way to remove it, I always remove it because it's pretty disturbing on image. And so I think we are good now. Here I would like to set my spot module to be red. You can do whatever color you like. Okay, double check. Okay, so now you can just go over and see. Okay, here are the spots, and it looks good. Only thing that I don't like is I don't think this module here is legit. So I click on it, so you see it turned yellow, means it's been selected. And then you just click the deletion on the keyboard. No, it doesn't work. So let me do this pencil here, and just remember the only one that you want to remove, it's highlighted in yellow, and then you click delete. Yep, and now you delete this module. And then it has to be selected in track. Here it's linked. It's linked into full track selection, so you can delete the whole track. And if you unlink this track, it'll just you'll be selecting just an object, means just the spot. So it will just remove this spot from one time point. So this is what I mean to unlock or lock the track means in the paper protocol. And I think we are good here for our Kathleen light chain spot module creation.